Got an XCP file from a media cataloging system and need to access your photo library metadata? This is a catalog from Microsoft's discontinued media management tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you work with these Expression Media catalog files. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common XCP Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. XCP files are media catalog database files. Created by Microsoft Expression Media, a digital asset management application for organizing, searching, and managing large photo and media collections. They contain thumbnail caches, metadata indexes, keyword tags, ratings, and organizational data for referenced image, video, and audio files in managed media libraries. Microsoft Expression Media XCP files use a proprietary database format, storing indexed media metadata, including EXIF and IPTC fields, user-assigned keywords, ratings, color labels, and catalog set hierarchies with thumbnail preview caches. The catalog references media at their storage locations rather than embedding the actual media files. Commonly, XCP files use Microsoft Expression Media developed by Microsoft Corporation. The native Windows utility cannot fully interpret the file's specific data structure. Windows cannot unpack or display index structures, so proper access requires dedicated tools. Your primary action, right-click the XCP file and select Open With. If Microsoft Expression Media is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the XCP file opens successfully. When your XCP file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, opening an Expression Media. If Microsoft Expression Media is still installed, launch it and open the XCP catalog file. The media library displays with all organizational metadata, thumbnails, and search capabilities. Browse by keywords, ratings, folders, or custom catalog sets to navigate your media collection as originally organized. Next, migrating to current software. Since Microsoft Expression Media is discontinued, migrate your catalog to current digital asset management tools. Phase 1 acquired the technology and continued it as Media Pro. Export metadata from Expression Media to sidecar XMP files that can be read by Adobe Lightroom Bridge or other DAM applications. Finally, recovering metadata. If Expression Media is unavailable and you need the catalog metadata, install the application through archived installers. Export your keyword assignments, ratings, and organizational data to CSV or XMP sidecar files. Import this metadata into your current photo management application to preserve years of cataloging work. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.